Hello, and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of BabyNutri, the all-in-one marvel that redefines convenience for busy parents. This innovative baby food maker seamlessly integrates steaming, blending, and chopping capabilities, along with timer, scheduling, and keep warm functions, making it the ultimate companion for discerning mothers. With its cutting-edge precision blade technology, BabyNutri effortlessly transforms an array of baby-friendly foods into silky purees, offering customizable smoothness for optimal nutrition uptake throughout your baby's growth journey. Crafted from premium stainless steel and glass, it meets rigorous food safety standards, ensuring peace of mind for conscientious parents, and activates only when the stirring cup and lid are securely in place. Say goodbye to post-cooking chaos with its user-friendly design, featuring easily detachable, dishwasher-safe components and an included cleaning brush to ensure no crevice is left untouched. Beyond its functionality, BabyNutri's chic innovation, with a built-in heat focus ring and precision mixing cup design, accelerates meal prep and ensures precise portions with every use. This isn't just a kitchen essential, it's a statement piece that makes for a thoughtful gift, imbuing every new mother's journey with warmth and style.